If you want to boost social proof and get more customers for your business, displaying Facebook reviews on your Divi website is a great way to do that. That's why in this video, I'll show you how to embed your Facebook reviews on your Divi webpage in a fast and responsive feed like this. This is by using the Smashballoon Reviews Feed Pro plugin. It lets you create, customize, and embed Facebook reviews like this in just a matter of minutes with no coding needed. To get started, head over to smashballoon.com and purchase Reviews Feed Pro. Once purchased, you can find your download link and the license key for the plugin inside your Smashballoon account. Download Reviews Feed Pro and head over to your WordPress dashboard. Now, inside our WordPress dashboard, on the left-hand side, hover over Plugins and click on Add New Plugin. Then at the top, click Upload Plugin and upload the zip file for Reviews Feed Pro. Then click Install Now. Once installed, click Activate Plugin. And there we go, Reviews Feed Pro has now been installed and activated. Now on the left-hand side, you might notice Reviews Feed. Go ahead and click on that. And right here, paste the license key from your Smashballoon account and click Activate. Our license key has now been activated and we can begin creating our Facebook reviews feed. To get started, click on Add New. And for the first step, we'll have to add a source for our feed. Click Add Source. And in this window, you can see all the different source types you have with Reviews Feed Pro. With the plugin, you can display reviews from Google, Facebook, TripAdvisor, Yelp, Trustpilot, and WordPress.org. Since we want to display our Facebook reviews, click on Facebook, then click Connect with Facebook. On this screen, we can click on Connect to Facebook once again. This will take you to Facebook, and if you're already logged in, you can click on Edit Access, and you should see all the Facebook businesses, pages, and Instagram accounts connected to your Facebook account. Find the page you want to connect with Smashballoon, which is this one here, and make sure it's toggled on everywhere that it's mentioned. After that, we can close this and click on Continue. After that, you can see the Facebook pages that we've connected with Smashballoon in this window here. Select the one you want to use as a source. For us, it's this one here, and click on Add Pages as a Source. Now we can see that page added as a source, so we can select it and click Next. And finally, for the last step of creating our Facebook reviews feed, selecting a template for the layout of our feed. We have options like the default, simple cards, masonry, and more. For this demonstration, let's go with simple cards. Once selected, click Next. And just like that, we have a live preview of our Facebook reviews feed inside our WordPress webpage. This feed contains the latest Facebook reviews for the page we added as a source, which is Redbird WP. All the reviews are displayed inside a card, which is based on the template that we selected, and each review contains the author photo, author name, when that review was published, the star rating that was given, and the review content. And on the top right corner, we have a Facebook icon indicating that the review is from Facebook, which also adds a touch of social proof when site visitors view the review on your website. Our reviews feed is now ready to be embedded inside our WordPress webpage, but before I show you how to do that, let me show you how we can customize this feed. On the left-hand side, under the Customize tab, go into Layout. Inside this menu, you can customize the layout of your reviews feed. Currently, we're displaying our reviews in a list layout, which means that they're shown in a single column list. Next, we have a masonry layout, and this one displays your reviews in rows and columns. And lastly, we have the carousel. This one allows you to swipe through reviews on your feed like this. For this demonstration, let's continue with the list layout. And if you look below, you can choose the number of reviews you want to display. Currently, we're displaying up to 4 reviews, but we only have 3 reviews on our page. If you want to modify this, just enter the number of reviews you want to display. For example, let's go with 2. And now, we're only displaying 2 reviews inside our feed. It's as easy as that. You can do the same thing with desktop, tablet, and mobile as well. And if you're happy with your changes, click Save on the top right corner. Next, if you want to customize the individual reviews inside your feed, under the Customize tab once again, click on Reviews. Then go click on Edit Individual Elements. On this menu, you can find all the different elements inside each review, like the author and date, the star rating, the review paragraph, and images or videos if they're available. It's totally up to you what elements you want to display inside your feed. If you want to hide the author and date, just deselect it like this, and the author and date will be hidden from that review. And if we want to bring it back, you can click on it like this, and that will reappear instantly. And you might notice that the author and date is now showing up at the bottom of that card. This just demonstrates that you can customize how the elements are stacked inside each review. If we want to move the author and date back to the top, all you have to do is click here and drag it to your desired position. For us, let's place it here at the top. And instantly, the author and date is sitting back at the top of the review. You can do the same thing with any of the other elements. Just click and drag it to where you want it to be, just like that. For now, I'm going to move this back to the default position, like so. And if you make any changes, click Save on the top right corner. And if your business has a lot of reviews and you want to curate the exact reviews to display, we have filtering and moderation tools to help you with that. Go into the Settings tab and click on Filters. This menu allows you to filter the reviews inside your feed. At the top, you can filter them based on star rating. For example, if I only want to display 5-star reviews, I can click here and our feed will only display 5-star reviews. Next, if you scroll down, you can also filter reviews based on words. If you add a keyword here, it will only show you reviews containing that word. Alternatively, if you add a word into this box instead, it will hide all reviews containing those words. Lastly, you can also filter reviews based on character count, with a minimum and maximum. If you wanted to only display bite-sized reviews, you can enter a lower maximum, so your feed only displays shorter reviews. Alternatively, you can enter a higher minimum and maximum to display longer in-depth reviews if you'd like to. For now, let's go back, and if we go into moderation and enable moderation mode, it will show you all your Facebook reviews that you have available. And the best part, you can choose the exact ones you want to display. To do this, you have two options, with the allow list and the block list. With the allow list, all your reviews will be hidden by default, apart from the ones you manually choose to display like this. Alternatively, if you go with the block list, all your reviews will be displayed, apart from the ones you manually choose to hide like so. And if you make any changes, make sure to click save on the top right corner. But for now, we're going to cancel that. And here we are back inside the main Smash Balloon menu. And now that I've shown you how to create, customize, and moderate your Facebook reviews feed, let me show you how we can embed it inside your Divi webpage. To embed it, click on Embed on the top right corner, copy your dedicated shortcode, and then click on Add to a page. Select the page you want to embed your feed to, and click on Add. This will open up your web page, and all you have to do is click on Edit with the Divi Builder. And here we are now inside the Divi Builder, and to embed our Facebook reviews feed, let's scroll down, and we can embed it over here. To embed it, just click on the plus icon, and search for the code block, this one here. Once added, you'll get this pop-up on the left-hand side, and all you have to do is paste that shortcode that we copied earlier, just like this. Then you can click on the green check mark, and instantly you can see a preview of your Facebook reviews feed on your Divi Builder page. We can now click Save, and check out what it looks like on the live website. And now on our live Divi web page, let's scroll down and find our Facebook reviews feed. And here it is. It features the latest reviews from the Facebook page that we connected as a source. The feed is displayed in a beautiful cards template that includes the review author, profile picture, the review star rating, and the review content as well. At the top of the feed, we have a heading, the average star rating, the total number of reviews, and a write a review button. If site visitors click on that, that will take them directly to the reviews tab on your Facebook page, making it really convenient for them to leave Facebook reviews for you from your Divi website. Next, at the bottom of the feed, we have a load more button. If site visitors click on that, that will load additional Facebook reviews for you on your WordPress webpage. And there you have it. That's how we can create, customize, and embed a Facebook reviews feed like this on your Divi website. If you have any questions about what I covered in this video, please let me know in the comments below. If you experience any technical issues, please contact our awesome support team and they'd be happy to help you out. Please consider subscribing to our channel for social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.